Na Nababo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of We're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
For today's vlog, guys, again, it's a little bit different from the usual. It's not food,
Yes.
but it's also essential. It's a necessity po. Kayo po ba ay nag-extend ng bahay, or if you're looking for an easy build unit, de-deploy natin sa farm?
Yes, o kaya kung naghahanap kayo ng mabilis,
Uh-huh.
at the same time reliable quality na pwedeng livable na space.
Sample like this. So guys, if you want to know more about this, samahan niyo po kami. This is called Easy Build.
So tara, let's go!
Ako si Resty, marketing manager, charge sa all marketing activities ng company. Start ang company noong 2017, 4 years ago. And originally, meron kaming factory sa China. And then sila ang nagsusupport sa amin. Ang naging client namin may mga hospital. And binigyan kami tiwala ng DPWH dahil nga sa ganda ng gawa namin at quality. Pinagkatiwalaan kami ipagawa sa amin ng Philippine Heart Center, Philippine Lung Center, and National Kidney Institute. And then recently, pinagawa namin ang COVID facility ng mga mental hospital. And then right now, with the build, kami ang nagpo-provide ng Tempasil sa major subcontractors or contractors ng DOTR. Sa private owner, napakaganda rin ng response sa amin kasi yung mga farm owner na nagbabalak na magtayo ng bahay sa napakadaling gawin, napakamura at hindi ganun katagal gawin.
Ayun, Mark, so this is one of their para mga model house or model unit. A finished sample ng mga unit natin.
Actually, ito yung mga maganda na pwede natin gawin sa mga bahay natin, lalo na kung tayo yung mga nagtatayo ng mga bahay. At the very low cost compared to sa mga traditional na pagpapagawa natin ng mga bahay.
Yeah, I think what we're targeting here is yung mga nag-extend ng bahay. For example, meron silang extra lot, and to add this cabin type na na unit natin. If you notice, complete siya. So you have your table here. Meron tayong provision for cabinet,
Meron din tayong restroom.
which is papakita natin. Look at the flooring. So ito tiled na to. So complete, guys. You have your sink and your faucet. Meron tayong toilet and bowl. And then dito naman, tiled na rin to. Look, so para siyang wood finish na tiles. Ayan.
Actually, parang ano na rin siya bahay na talaga or kwarto. So ang kagandahan dito, yung mga wallings nila are PVC type walls. You know? So at the same time, soundproof, fire retardant, and heat repellent.
Nandito nga tayo sa factory ng Easy Build. And notice, guys, sa likod natin, ito yung mga ginagawa na nila. In as early as 30 days, no sir, pwede natin i-turn over yung natin, mga unit natin. And kanina pinakita natin yung parang finished or furnished na unit. So isang unit, guys, pwede palang matapos ng isang araw. Kaano ka-rush po yung requirement natin na ma-deliver natin yan.
Yes.
Yun, so tingnan natin yung na to. This is the bare type naman. Tingnan natin sa loob. Yun, so as low as 197,000 bro, you can get this. So kagandahan naman dito, since it's bare, ikaw mismo yung magde-design.
Preferred na ano yung itsura ng magiging
Interior.
nyo. So at the same time, napakamura niya lang sa 197,000. Pwede ka nang magstay dito.
So material used dito are metal thin sheets. Yung pinakita natin earlier, may PVC padding yon. Tinatago natin yung mga electrical lines katulad nito. So since this is bare, yun, you can customize it according to your preference kung anong gusto mo.
Yes.
And guys, so isa pa sa mga pwede natin i-construct sa ating mga pre-fabricated ng mga container, itong portalet na to. If you notice, this one para siyang individual toilet. Ayan, I can see this, for example, ang restaurant ay al fresco, may mga event, no, mga major event like really huge crowd, and at the same time dun sa mga satellite offices, say for example mga construction site. And then itong unit natin dito, if you notice, para naman siyang mas malaki.
Siguro ito yung mga pang office type of restroom, cubicle.
Meron siya 10 cubicle. Tingnan natin sa loob, guys.
Actually, dito naman ginagawa or ina-assemble yung mga container construction natin. So, dito yung pinaka-assembly time nila. So, ang kagandahan naman dito, syempre, one of our concerns sa mga ganitong type is the strength of it.
Materials, no?
Strength of it, kung gaano siya katibay, gaano siya katatag. So, based on our orientation, ang kaya niyang earthquake level, intensity 8, kaya niyang i-hold yung pinaka-construction natin. At the same time, sa mga wind level naman, hanggang signal number 12. Wow! So, ganun siya katibay, talagang pangmatagalan. So, sa years naman, kung gaano siya katagal na magagamit, is up to 60 years and beyond. Yan.
And guys, so this structure right here, para naman siyang mini function hall. So imagine, they can also do this kind of unit dito po sa Easy Build. Ngayon lang namin na-confirm, guys, na yung mga bear type natin, as early as one day, kaya po nilang tapusin yon.
Yes.
Grabe. And imagine, look at this cabin type house. Ang ganda nito sa mga for example, you have a farm,
Yes.
farm lot.
The same time, siguro may free lot kayo sa likod ng bahay nyo to stay. Pwede yung mga ganitong klaseng bahay.
I also imagine, say for example, yung mga villa sa mga resorts.
Yes.
Like for example, a beach front. So imagine, guys, adding amenities to your resort, dagdag kita rin kapag nag-invest tayo sa mga ganito. Pwedeng-pwede yung mga yan.
UPVC window, one perforated steel, ang body niya EPS wall, sandwich panel, and then ang floor niya is fiber cement,
Okay.
and then yung roofing niya is DI roofing, and then ang ceiling niya is PVC.
So for this one, sir, ilan ng construction time natin?
This one is different from the others. This is well customized. This one will take you about 7 days.
7 days. Wow.
Turnover is about 15 days para dito.
Okay.
Madi-deliver na for sure. And then for the collapsible, the basic ones are 1 day. In the next 3 days na sa kanila. Or we can install it on site.
Yes. So ayun nga, guys, this truck right here is bound to Antipolo, Rizal. Ang naging client natin dito is a contractor dun sa gumagawa ng Marcelino Dam. So you notice, guys, from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, pwede nating padala yung ganitong mga unit natin.
They can reach us at 0922-696-5067, or you can reach us at our website at www.easybuildprefab.com.
Alright, so there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for being with us in this video. If you're interested to get these units, make sure to contact po Easy Build. We're gonna be providing the fan page at the same time yung number. So if you wanna walk in naman, so this is located sa San Simon. Napakalapit lamang po niya from San Fernando. I think just 10 minutes lang.
Yes, you could check it sa Waze yung Easy Build para mapuntahan yung kanilang pinaka-factory.
So there you have it, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. You share it with your friends, and we hope to see you in the next one.
So that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
Bye, guys.